Hey guys, Joe here. Welcome back to another video. Oh, I forgot I can't get out of here now. Yeah. So today we are finally going to get no wolves or a dog or something. Okay, the polar bear. Anyway, guys. Yeah. We need bony bobs. We need bony bobs. We need oh look, there are turtles, but there are no skeletons. I thought turtles were supposed to be rare. Rare, man. It's Froakie over there, and he is not rare. Oh yeah, I like to eat pears on 5th. Look, there are wolves here, aren't there? No wolves. Oh no, that's why. I could hear something. There's a creep on me. I'm so scared I might do, are we? No 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 no. No 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 no. No 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 no. No no no. No no no. No no no. Okay. Whoa! Did you see my surpriseness? No 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 no. Ah, so surprised. That creeper just blowed. Ah, I'm glitching. I glitched there. So yeah, sad time. I can hear something under the water. It's a really horrible sound. Ugh, sad times. Ah! That zombie noise made me jump. I'm gonna go home. I'm scared. You guys can't hear the zombie noise, but and it's horrible. I need to turn the volume down. Who wants Never mind. Nothing. I was just speaking to you in there, guys. I need to turn this down. Volume! Come on, volume. 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 Come on. I need you to work. Otherwise. Oh, yeah. Never do that to me again, volume. Ooh, a carrot. I must have dropped it. Yummy. Volume is being very mean to me today. I will spy from above. Da da na na na. Na 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 na. I think there might be one on this island. Oh, there are some poppies as well. Let's go. Ooh, what's this? Iron. What's this? Sand. I like sand, it's funny. We are searching for... Why is there just a random bat there? Bat, come here. Bat. Bat. Sad times. Sad times for the bat. I'm jumping so no skeletons dare to snipe me. Some cows, I might. Maybe. You know what? I'll let you go. You can go in here. You're a nice cow. Poppies! I love poppies. Poppies. Yay. Want more poppies? A rabbit! A rabbit! A rabbit! A rabbit! Carrots! I have carrots for you. Here you go. Come on, rabbit. Rabbit! Carrots! 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 Rabbit! Rabbit! I have carrots for you. And you. Here you go. Here you go. Okay, let's go. I shall bring you home. Let's go. So I have carrots. Look, carrot trail. It is the carrot trail. Ooh, a poppy. The carrot trail. Ow. Oh. Yeah. Can you swim? Hey, hey, hey! I got carrots! I got carrots. I got carrots, little rabbit. Oi! The pig is still oil though. Come, pig! Come! I have this carrot for you, piggy. Oh, I got this carrot for this piggy, and it wants the carrot. So come on, let's go. Come on, we got a carrot for you, piggy. It's a carrot. It's a carrot. It's a carroty warroty woo woo. It's a carrot. Follow me if you want to eat carrots. Come on. Pig, you're so slow. Come on. I demand you to follow. Come, Piggy Wiggy. We shall eat carrots together. Pig? Oh, that was a waste of time. That mean old pig. So mean. Wasting all my time. Boop. Need more dirt. 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 Ah, it's beautiful. Oh. Let's go, guys. I'm so angry with that pig. I will just kill it. But I'm not mean, so I won't kill it. Ow. I need my carrots. I'm now eating my carrots. Scallabobs, where are you? Ooh, poppies. But never mind, I'm getting too distracted. Hmm. Ooh. I need a torch to bring from home. Oh yeah, this tree hasn't grown, hasn't it? I'll just put it there instead. Door open. Uh-oh. Nothing there. Just a polar bear. Oh look, there's the pig. The mean old pig is still in the water. Hope you drown, meanie pig. I wanted you to be my pet, but you didn't, so sad times. I know, I'm gonna have something different to a poppy. This thing. What is this? A dandelion. A dandelion. Let's see. Look, the wolves are still here, but they haven't got any bones. I need to give you bones, don't I, wolf? Oh, I'm gonna go to this cave thingy. Oi! Monstery creeps. Hello? Yeah, this looks too scary. I'm gonna go explore a lighter cave. Loads of mushrooms. That's a bit bad. I cannot find any bobs. I mean, skelebobs. This is very. Maybe I should retire or something. Why am I forever eating? Look. Food is forever coming out. And then my hunger isn't going up anything. Oh, that's better. That's much better. Yum. Haha. Haha. Ooh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. 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 The ultimate poppies. Oh, there's a poppy in here. Haha. This is very sad. Extremely sad. This is sad. So very sad. Yeah, it's quite sad. It's very sad. I got 16 puppies, but I have no duckies. Oh, yeah! Bada bing bong. A rabbit. I got carrots, rabbit. I got it. Come on, rabbit.